Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learn English. I am Amelia, and today we are talking about something that every English learner wants: good English speaking skills, real speaking skills, the kind that make you feel confident, natural, and free in any conversation.
Hey everyone, I am James. And Amelia, this topic is so important because so many learners study English for years but still feel scared when it is time to actually speak. And today, we are going to change that.
Today, we are sharing the most powerful skills and habits for improving your English speaking, not just tips, real skills, things you can start doing today.
By the end of this episode, you will have a clear plan for improving your speaking every single day.
Here is your first comment challenge. Write in the comments right now. What is the hardest part of speaking English for you? We want to know your real answer.
Subscribe to Learn English for new lessons every week. Let us begin.
Okay, skill 1, and this is the most important skill of all. Speak out loud every single day. Not in your head, not silently, out loud, with your real voice.
So many learners make this mistake. They read English, they watch English videos, they study grammar, but they never actually open their mouth and speak. And then they wonder why speaking feels so difficult.
Here is the truth. Speaking is a physical skill, just like playing a sport or playing an instrument. Your mouth, your tongue, your lips, your breath all need practice. And the only way to practice them is to actually speak.
So here is your skill 1 daily habit. Every morning, before you do anything else, speak English for 5 minutes, out loud, alone. Just you and your voice.
What do you say? Here are 5 topics you can use every single morning. Topic 1. Say your name and 3 things about yourself. Topic 2. Describe what you see around you right now. Topic 3. Talk about what you did yesterday. Topic 4. Describe your plans for today. Topic 5. Talk about something that made you happy this week.
5 minutes, 5 topics, 1 each day. You do not need anyone to listen. You just need to speak. Your voice gets stronger every single time you use it.
And here is something beautiful about this habit. After just 2 weeks of speaking 5 minutes every morning, you will notice a real difference. Your sentences will come out faster, your voice will feel more comfortable, your English will feel more like yours.
Here is your second comment challenge. Which of those 5 morning topics feels easiest for you right now? And which one feels the hardest? Write both answers in the comments, just 1 sentence each. We want to see your answers. Skill 1 summary. Speak out loud every single morning. 5 minutes, 5 topics. Your voice is the most powerful tool in your English journey. Use it every day. Let us go to skill 2. Skill 2 is going to change how you listen to English forever. Let us go.
Skill 2. Listen deeply and copy what you hear. And I want to explain the difference between listening and listening deeply, because most learners only do the first one.
Normal listening means you hear English and you try to understand the meaning. That is good. But deep listening means you also pay attention to how the words sound, how the sentences flow, where the speaker pauses, how the voice rises and falls.
And then you copy it. You repeat it out loud. You try to match the sound, the rhythm, and the feeling of what you just heard. This is called shadowing, and it is one of the fastest ways to improve your speaking.
Here is how to do it. Find a short video, podcast, or audio in English. Listen to 1 sentence, pause. Say that exact sentence out loud. Match the speed, match the tone, match the energy. Then move to the next sentence.
Let us practice right now. I am going to say a sentence. You say it immediately after, out loud. Copy everything about the way I say it. I am getting better at English every single day. Say it. My speaking is improving because I practice every day. Say it. I listen carefully and I copy what I hear. Say it. Every day, my English feels more natural and more confident. Say it.
Did you feel that? When you copy a sentence carefully, something happens in your brain and in your mouth. The sentence starts to feel like yours. That is the goal, to make English sentences feel like they belong to you.
Here is your third comment challenge. Write one sentence you said out loud today. Any sentence. In English. Write it in the comments right now. Just one sentence. We want to see it. Skill 2 summary. Listen deeply to English every day. Copy what you hear. Match the sound, the rhythm, and the feeling. Practice shadowing with any English audio you enjoy. This skill changes everything. Let us go to skill 3. Skill 3. Build your confidence and speak with real people. Because here is the truth about English speaking skills. You can practice alone every day. You can shadow every sentence you hear. But at some point, you need to speak with another human being.
And I know that feels scary, especially for beginners, especially if you are shy. But here is something important I want you to remember. You do not need perfect English to have a real conversation. You just need enough English to start.
Here is your Skill 3 confidence building plan. 3 levels. Start at level 1 and move up when you feel ready. Level 1. Speak to yourself. Talk to yourself in English at home. Describe what you are doing. Narrate your day. Speak to yourself in the mirror. This builds speaking habits safely. Level 2. Speak in writing first. Before a real conversation, write what you want to say in English. Practice it. Say it out loud. Then, when you have the real conversation, you already know what to say. Level 3. Speak to a real person. Start with someone safe. A friend who is also learning English. A family member. A language partner online. Have a short conversation. 5 minutes. Any topic. Just speak.
And here is the most important thing about skill 3.
Every conversation you have in English makes the next one easier. Not because you become perfect, but because you become braver. After 10 real English conversations, you will feel different. After 50, you will feel completely different. And after 100, speaking English will feel like the most normal thing in the world.
Here is your 4th comment challenge. Tell us in the comments, have you ever had a real English conversation with someone? Where was it? How did it feel? Write your story, even if it was short, even if it was nervous. Tell us.
Skill 3 summary. Build confidence in 3 levels. Speak to yourself first, then write before you speak, then speak to a real person. Every conversation makes you braver. Every brave moment builds your skill. Let us talk about mistakes.
Mistakes section coming right now. Let us go.
Okay, common mistakes. 3 important ones that stop English learners from improving their speaking skills.
Mistake number 1, waiting until your English is perfect before you speak. This is the number 1 mistake, and we say this every episode because it is that important.
Nobody's English is perfect. Native speakers make mistakes too. The goal is not perfection. The goal is communication. Start speaking now. Improve while you speak. That is the right order.
Mistake number 2, translating everything in your head before you speak. Some learners think of the sentence in their own language first, then they translate every word to English, then they speak.
This makes speaking very slow and very stressful. The solution is to practice thinking in English. Start small. Think 1 English word for something you see. Then 1 English sentence. Build from there every day.
Mistake number 3, only studying grammar and never speaking. Grammar is important, But grammar alone will never make you a good speaker. Speaking makes you a good speaker. You need both. Study and speak. Every single day.
Quick reminder drill. I say the mistake, you say the better habit out loud. Mistake. Waiting for perfect English. Better habit. Say it.
Start speaking now and improve while you speak.
Mistake. Translating in your head. Better habit. Say it.
Think in English. Start with one word, then one sentence. Build every day.
Every mistake is a lesson. Every lesson is progress. Keep going.
You are doing so well. Let us finish strong with our final practice.
Practice time. And today our practice is a speaking skills drill. I will ask James a question. James will answer naturally. Then you answer the same question out loud too. Ready?
Ready! Let us go!
Question 1. How do you practice English speaking every day?
I speak out loud every morning for 5 minutes. I describe my day, my plans, and my feelings in English, out loud, every single morning without exception. Now you answer. How do you practice English speaking every day? Say your answer out loud right now.
Question 2. What do you do when you do not know a word in English?
I describe the word in a different way. I use simpler words to explain what I mean. I never stop speaking. I always find another way to say it. Now you answer that question out loud.
Question 3. What is your biggest goal in English?
My biggest goal is to speak with confidence in any situation, to feel free in English, to say what I think and feel without fear. Now say your biggest English goal out loud. Here is your 6th comment challenge. Write your biggest English speaking goal in the comments. One sentence. Make it real. Make it yours. We want to read it.
Okay, everyone. We have reached the end of today's episode, and I want to say something from the heart. Learning to speak English well takes time. It takes courage, and it takes daily practice. But every single person who keeps going will get there.
Quick final review. Skill 1. Speak out loud every morning for 5 minutes. Your voice needs daily exercise.
Skill 2. Listen deeply and copy what you hear. Shadow real English sentences every day. Make them yours.
Skill 3. Build confidence in 3 levels. Speak to yourself, write before you speak, then speak to a real person. Every conversation makes you braver.
And we fixed 3 big mistakes. Stop waiting for perfect English. Stop translating in your head. Start speaking and studying together every day.
Here is your final comment challenge. Write one thing you will do differently after today's episode. One action, one habit. Write it below.
Like this video, subscribe to Lore Learn English, and share with one friend learning English.
Good speaking skills are built one day at a time. Start today. We will see you next time.